When most people think of salad, they think of lettuce and sadness. But not anymore. Salads can be colorful, delicious, and powerful, packed with vitamins, protein, and good fats. They're not just for weight loss, they're for energy, glowing skin, and strong immunity. So today we'll explore 20 healthy salad recipes that are easy to make, incredibly tasty, and backed by nutrition science. From protein-packed bowls to refreshing fruit mixes. By the end of this video, you'll see salads like never before. Before we start chopping, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because we turn simple ingredients into powerful meals for a healthier you. 1. The classic Greek salad. Heart-healthy goodness. Visual fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta tossed in a glass bowl. This Mediterranean favorite is rich in monounsaturated fats, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Combine chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, red onion, and feta cheese. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano. The olive oil supports heart health, and the feta adds protein and calcium, making it light yet satisfying. 2. Grilled chicken salad. The protein powerhouse grill. A chicken breast with a pinch of salt, pepper, and olive oil. Toss it with romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado slices. Top with a light yogurt dressing. This is the perfect post-workout meal, high in protein, low in fat, and full of nutrients that rebuild muscle tissue. 3. Avocado and chickpea salad. Creamy meats crunchy mashed chickpeas lightly and mix with diced avocado, red onion, parsley, and lemon juice. It's rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This salad helps regulate blood sugar and keeps you full for hours. Perfect for vegans and vegetarians. 4. Apple walnut salad. Sweet and crunchy antioxidants. Slice green apples. Toss with walnuts, spinach, feta cheese, and a drizzle of honey balsamic dressing. The crunch of walnuts plus the sweetness of apples creates the perfect balance. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3s for brain health, while spinach adds iron and folate. 5. Rainbow veggie salad. Eat the colors of health. This salad is nature's multivitamin. Use red peppers, carrots, purple cabbage, corn, and cucumber. The more color, the more antioxidants. Top it with lemon tahini dressing for extra flavor and calcium. Remember, if your salad looks like a rainbow, your body thanks you for it. 6. Quinoa Power Salad. Energy in every bite. Cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, bell peppers, and lime juice. This bowl is packed with plant-based protein. It's gluten-free, rich in fiber, and perfect for sustained energy through the day. Add avocado or olive oil to make it even more filling. 7. Spinach and berry salad. The Skin Glow Mix. Mix fresh spinach, strawberries, blueberries, and goat cheese. Top with crushed almonds and balsamic glaze. This antioxidant-rich salad boosts collagen production and protects against cell damage. A real beauty from within meal. 8. Roasted sweet potato salad. Comfort in a bowl. Roast cubes of sweet potato with paprika and olive oil. Add black beans, corn, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. High in beta-carotene, fiber, and magnesium. It supports your immune system and helps you recover after exercise. 9. Lentil and tomato salad. The iron-boosting combo. Cooked green lentils mixed with cherry tomatoes, onion, and parsley. Add olive oil and lemon for freshness. Lentils are rich in iron and folate, great for energy and blood health. This one's a powerhouse for vegetarians who need plant protein. 10. Citrus avocado salad. Immunity-boosting bowl. Combine orange slices, avocado, spinach, and pumpkin seeds. The vitamin C from citrus and healthy fats from avocado strengthen your immune system and help absorb nutrients. Add a dash of salt and chili flakes for a spicy twist. 11. Cucumber Mint Salad. Refresh and rehydrate chopped cucumber, mint leaves, and yogurt dressing. Cool, light, and hydrating. It's perfect for hot summer days and helps detoxify your body naturally. Tip: add a sprinkle of roasted cumin for a refreshing flavor. 12. Tuna salad. The omega-3. King mix tuna, Greek yogurt, celery, and onions. Add black pepper and a squeeze of lemon. Tuna is full of omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain function. This salad also helps you feel full without excess calories. 13. Corn and black bean salad. Mexican-inspired magic mix. Black beans, sweet corn, chopped peppers, onions, and cilantro. Dress with lime juice, olive oil, and a hint of chili. High in fiber and plant protein. It keeps digestion smooth and energy stable. 14. Kale and pomegranate salad. Superfood detox. Bowl massage. Kale leaves with olive oil to soften them. Add pomegranate seeds, feta, and sunflower seeds. Kale cleanses your liver and supports detoxification. Pomegranate adds antioxidants that improve heart and skin glow. 15. Potato and egg salad, classic but healthier. Boiled baby potatoes and boiled eggs tossed with Greek yogurt, mustard, and chives. This high-protein, low-fat twist on a classic salad makes it creamy without the heavy mayo. Excellent for muscle recovery and sustained energy. 16. Asian sesame salad, crunch and balance. Shredded cabbage, carrots, toasted sesame seeds, and edamame beans tossed in sesame ginger dressing. It's rich in antioxidants and protein and supports hormonal balance. Sesame contains lignans, which naturally balance estrogen, great for women's health. 17. Chickpea tabbouleh, Middle Eastern freshness. Replace bulgur with chickpeas for a protein upgrade. Mix with parsley, mint, tomatoes, and olive oil. It's refreshing, detoxifying, and perfect for hot climates. 18. Fruit and nut salad. The morning energizer. Combine apple slices, orange chunks, grapes, almonds, and walnuts. Add a spoon of Greek yogurt or honey for a natural dressing. This salad is great for breakfast or midday pick-me-up. The mix of natural sugar and protein gives you quick yet stable energy. 19. Broccoli almond salad. Strong bones, strong immunity steamed broccoli, and mix with toasted almonds, cranberries, and lemon dressing. Broccoli provides vitamin K and calcium, while almonds bring vitamin E and healthy fats. It's the perfect combination for bone and immune support. 20. Mediterranean Chickpea Salad. Balanced and filling chickpeas, cucumber, red onion, cherry tomatoes, and feta with olive oil and lemon juice. It's high in protein, fiber, and antioxidants, and takes only 5 minutes to make. Perfect as a meal or side dish and fits every diet, from keto to vegan, minus the feta. Detox green salad. Cleanse and refresh. Combine kale, spinach, cucumber, green apple, celery, and ginger lime dressing. This salad alkalizes the body, reduces inflammation, and improves digestion. It's your best friend after a weekend of heavy eating. And which of these salads made your mouth water? Tell us your favorite combo in the comments. And if you're team creamy dressing or vinaigrette all the way. And don't forget, if these recipes are inspiring your next meal prep, hit like, subscribe, and share to spread the health. Transform your health with simplicity. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's about creativity, color, and balance. These 20 salad recipes prove that nature already gives us everything we need, fresh, flavorful, and full of life. So next time you think of skipping a meal, think of your body as your best investment. And feed it like it deserves. Eat fresh. Feel light. Live strong.